Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about hair. So I'm going to be giving you guys a full breakdown on the difference between synthetic hair, human blend hair, and human hair. This is a video that I've been thinking about doing for a while now, because hair is one of my favorite topics to talk about, even though I'm not an expert in any way, or do I even know how to even do frontals. You guys watched my last video. If you didn't, I'm going to put it in the link in the at the top here, and you can just click it after watching this video. I'm just going to link it to this video if you want to see me try wearing a frontal for the first time, because I clearly do not know how to wear a frontal. I do not know how to do hair, don't get me wrong, but I'm very fascinated by all things hair, and different kinds of hair, and that's the reason why I decided to do a video for you guys that talks about the distinction between human hair, blend hair, synthetic hair, and human hair. So we're going to be going in with a simple definition for everything. Synthetic hairs are basically man-made fibers. They are threads that are stretched together and formed with polymers, while human hair is basically human hair from the hair of donors. And human hair is basically hair from actual humans, hence the term human hair. And then human hair blends, or human hair blend wigs, or human hair blend hair are just hairs that are a mixture of synthetic hair and human hairs. So first things first, let's talk about the pros and cons of each hair. For washing, if you have a human hair, you have to wash your hair constantly, at least every week or every 2 weeks. You need to wash your hair, and you have to deep condition it. It's very difficult to maintain on when you have a human blend hair and when you have a synthetic hair. For synthetic hair, you probably don't even need to wash it for 1 month, up to 1 month. Sometimes the packs don't even advise that you wash the hair often, and even when you wash it, you have to air dry it, because you can't heat style it because it's rubber and it is man-made and it's thread, so you don't really want to ruin the style or what it has come in. So you don't wash it often, you don't maintain it often, it maintains its style. But for the human hair blend wigs, you can wash it and you can kind of manipulate it. You can do heat styling, because the combination of the human hair and man-made fibers. And on the box, most of the time when you buy these hairs, they give you instructions for how to take care of the hair. It's maintaining its style. Your human hair, when it comes in the box, it doesn't look whether it comes as a bundle or it comes as a wig. Human hairs are very difficult to maintain the style. In fact, most of the time when the hair comes, you have to style the hair. But if you buy a synthetic hair, you don't need to style the hair. It already comes styled, and it maintains the style the whole time that you have the hair. Probably the whole I don't know how many months you have your synthetic hair for, but the style will remain the same from the first time that you got the hair to the last time you got the hair, or to the last time that you wear it. But the human blend hair retains its style, but not as much as your synthetic hair would. So your human hair blend hair can kind of not maintain its style as much. So it definitely maintains the style more than your human hair, but less than the synthetic hair. So let's think about the human hair blend as the middle ground for all the extremes. So the human hair is extreme, synthetic hair is extreme, and then human hair blend is in the middle. So the human hair blend will maintain its style, but not as long as the synthetic hair would. And the human hair itself doesn't maintain its style at all. You have to style it yourself. Sometimes you have to style it every day, depending on the kind of hair that you have. If you're even buying donor hair, which is hair straight from somebody's scalp, then you probably have to style the hair every single day and wash it every week and deep condition it every week. It's a lot of work. Human hair feels more natural, looks more natural, has versatility, and is very flexible, hence the term human hair. So what that means is that when you have a human hair, you can style it how you want, and it lasts for way longer and is more flexible. When I mean lasts for way longer, you can wear your human hair depending on the kind of quality of the hair. So depending on the quality of the human hair that you have, you can have it for years, so 2 years, 3 years or more. I can just play with the hair, do what I want with it. And yeah, that's how natural hair is. or human hair, sorry, not natural hair. Like it just easily glides. But I cannot do the same for my synthetic hair, because if I do, I'm going to ruin the styling. I'm going to ruin like how it looks like, because I can't just be like playing around with my hair. It's not natural. It doesn't have that easy glide. It doesn't look it definitely doesn't look natural at all. It has like, it's more stiff. I'm going to put it that way. It's just, it looks more stiff, and it just maintains the style that it comes in the box. So if it comes a particular style, if it comes straight, if it comes curly, that's the style it has till the end, or till you throw the hair away, or till it becomes tangled, or it becomes like hard or not easy to comb. Yeah, but if you have a human blend hair, you can style it a little bit, but not as much as you style your human hair. So you can do heat styling depending on like how hot your hair straightener is. Most of the time they tell you not to go above 250 to 400 degree Fahrenheit for the heat on your hair, like when you're styling your human hair blend wigs. And you can wash it and air dry it, you can deep condition it. So yeah, you treat your human hair blend like your human hair, but not as often. So you will not do like, I would not deep condition my human hair blend hair every week or every 2 weeks like I do my human hair. I would only do it like maybe once a month, because it holds its style a little bit more than my human hair does, and it is, you know, very, it's like the in between. Like I said, it's like the in between. Oh, so yes, if you have a synthetic hair, it is weatherproof. So if the weather is cold, if it's hot, if it's very sunny, if it's very humid, your synthetic hair is going to maintain the style. Unlike natural hair, your natural or human hair is not weatherproof. If you're constantly in the sun a lot with your natural hair, it's going to oxidize, and the color is going to probably change or fade a little bit. Sometimes it might match together if it's very sunny or it's very hot, so you're sweating, your hair will match together. Or if it's cold, it might be straighter and not easy to manipulate. Your hair, just the weather really affects your human hair, because just like how the weather would affect your own real hair during the different seasons, that's exactly how it's going to maintain the human hair that you buy. It is definitely less expensive. Like you can get a synthetic hair for like $20, or like, you know, 10,000 naira or 8,000 naira, just really really cheap. But like human hairs that are really good quality go anywhere from like 30,000 naira and above. So you get your hair for 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, up until like 100, 100, and you're going into the 200 or the 300, depending on the kind of the quality of the hair. And if it's donor hair, like I just bought a very expensive human hair, guys. It set me back a lot. It set me back so much. It set me back. For feel as well, your synthetic hair feels lighter than your human hair does. Your human hair actually can feel a little bit heavy depending on how many bundles you have in it, and the weight, the density and all that. But your synthetic hair naturally feels light. It doesn't feel very heavy. It doesn't feel like there's a weight. It often feels very, it feels very light. That's what I'm going to say. Like your synthetic hair and human hair blend, because I have a human blend hair that I just bought. That's red hair wig that I demoed for you guys in the last video, or 2 videos prior to this one, and or even 3 videos. I don't really know. I don't know when this video is going up. So just in an old video, I'm going to link it in the description box down below, and also probably at the end of the video. So if you want to check it out, you can check it out. So yeah, it's the hair that I demoed for you guys, and that was a human hair blend wig. You saw that I straightened it. I really was able to manipulate it. I was able to like lay it down and do my frontal, because it is a human hair blend wig, so I have the leeway to kind of um make the hair how I want. Oftentimes, like when you buy a synthetic hair, you don't like what it looks like, you don't like how it looks like in the pack, because it probably looks so nice in the model and it's heavily edited, but in real life the hair doesn't look that good. But a good tip, which is something that I just learned recently, is to use a dry shampoo. I use the Batiste instant hair refresh dry shampoo, and I think it's the what, floral and flirty blush. This is how it looks like. I have the really wrong one, and I just sprayed this on my synthetic hair so it doesn't like maintain that shine that it has, because there's a shine that the synthetic hair has that is so ugly and makes it look so fake. And I don't know, I think the shine is used to help maintain the hair. I really don't know. I don't know if they're trying to make it look natural with the shine. It makes no sense to me. Just use a dry shampoo, just spray it on the hair, and I promise you that it's going to take away the shine. Not completely, but like good enough for it to not be so shiny. So that's a tip if you guys want to. I'm just out here saving lives. This is what I do. I constantly save lives, and I'm just saving your life right now. Tell me about the dry shampoo. So you better thank me. You better thank me. The general overall maintenance time for both hairs are like, you know, different, are like in two different spectrums. So if you have a human hair, you definitely need to have a lot of time to be able to maintain the hair, style the hair. So if you want to wear your human hair this morning, you have to plan out a good hour or two to sit down and clean up, like, you know, make sure that you clean up your edges because you're trying to make it look natural. You want to straighten the hair or coil it depending on the kind of heat styling that you want to do, and you want to just make it look good, and you want to make sure that it smells nice. So obviously you'd have washed it before and just make sure that it dried overnight or dried for whenever you want to use it. But your synthetic hair, you can just wake up in the morning and put it on, just like 2 minutes, and your hair is done. Like, you don't even need to style it, you don't need to do nothing. You just need to probably brush it out or comb it just so that it, you know, can be on your body. But that's it. For your human hair blend hair, which is kind of funny, but every time I take out the hair, I actually have to straighten it. So I always straighten my human hair blend hair, which is kind of weird because you shouldn't have to like style it as much. But I definitely don't style it as much, but I just like to straighten it because I just like the look after I've straightened it. But I can definitely wear it without straightening it. So you see, those are like how it's, that's what it is like. So maintenance time is, you know, higher for your human hair, lower for your synthetic hair, and like mid for the human hair blend. So in totality, don't allow anyone ever tell you that you need to spend like so much money or break the bank to be able to like look good. I feel like it just depends on like how you carry yourself. So yeah, just whatever you want to do. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, follow me on all my socials if you want to. It is at dinmaokorie. I'm going to put it in the description box down below. I'm going to put it on the screen as well, so you guys probably here on this, like right now, you're going to see it on the screen right now. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you felt that it was kind of informative. I will probably do more videos like this as well because I really enjoyed doing it, even if I was really scatterbrained and my like thoughts were like all over the place. I hope I was able to like pass out or pass on some information that was really helpful for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.